In a home, balance is everything. Too much heat or too much cold, and even the strongest structure might collapse. But one man found the power to keep both in perfect harmony.
Sir, the readings are all over the place. Really think we need to...
Easy, Private. We stick to the protocols. Stabilize the piping, double-check all the valves, and then reinforce Section 3 before the afternoon heat hits.
I don't know who built this place, but we don't cut corners, no matter how hot it gets.
What is that gas? We need to move now! Pressure's spiking!
Shut it down, now!
But in the face of subpar work and haphazard safety standards, even the steadiest hands can freeze.
Keep running! Don't look back! We have to get Clint. Move! Get to cover now! It's gonna blow! Run! Run! Get out now! Look out! Oh no! Is everybody out? Does anybody need help? Is everybody out? Does anybody need help?
What's happening to me?
Back home, the hero who once rebuilt bridges struggled to rebuild himself. Heat where it shouldn't be, cold where it didn't belong. Every touch, a spark he couldn't contain. His tools of creation became instruments of danger.
Staff Sergeant Damon Cole, you were exposed to an unstable experimental chemical compound.
Look at the delta reading on the left appendage.
The cold dissipation rate is higher than anticipated.
This compound fused with your DNA, forming your physiology at the molecular level, and giving you the ability to generate and manipulate thermal energy.
I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt somebody. Doc, these new powers, I can't control them.
Perhaps we could stabilize them with the right interface, something that would allow you to harness and channel them safely.
Run! It's spreading! We have to get out now! Hurry!
Look! There!
Everybody stay back. I've got this under control. I don't know who's responsible for the heating system that caused this, but nothing makes me hotter under the collar than when people take shortcuts with safety.
Who are you?
I'm Thermoguard.
Reactor balance is optimal. Everything is functioning exactly as designed. How do you feel?
Frustrated. It's dangerous enough cutting corners in a war zone, but I never anticipated finding so much careless work right here at home.
I've seen what negligence and dishonesty can do to homes, to families.
Roffus!
I swore that no one else would ever suffer over a broken promise from a crooked contractor or a second-rate supplier. But it's an oath I can't fulfill on my own. So I'm putting together a team to fight injustice and help connect families with experts they can trust. Want in?
Let's do this.
Welcome aboard, Thermoguard.
And with that, another brick is added to the foundation, and another hero is added to the legend of the House Remodelers.